The next thing I want to talk about that is maybe not that easy to find is how to import bitmap or any other graphic format objects in Visu Plus. For this we need a rectangle, place it somewhere on the screen, and we are looking for the property background attributes and static image. And here we can add an image, as an example our PLC Next icon, confirm it with the green arrow, and you will see that the image is first imported with the original size. So however we move the rectangle around, the image will stay as it is. To attach it more to the rectangle, we'll use the image alignment function stretched, and the image should keep its proportions. And if we confirm again, it will now always attach to the proportions of the rectangle. The last thing we should do, as the border of the rectangle is not very nice, is to disable the border on stroke attributes. So we just define the border size of 0, confirm again, and there is our icon. That's it. Enjoy Visu Plus and have a great day.